Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are finally moving into our new house. So yeah, haven't been able to film a whole lot of videos lately because we've been trying to finalise buying the house and getting packed ready to move. So yeah, this is it. Thought since I haven't been able to film anything on the car or anything, what I'll do is I'll just give you guys a little walkthrough of the house. And yeah, before we move in, so all we've got in here so far is just my car. Haven't put any boxes or anything in. We're about to start. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you guys around. Something a bit different, but definitely something that we'd like to have a video of, just to document, be able to remember the occasion of buying our first house together. So yeah, I'll show you guys through now, and hopefully you enjoy. So I have this little entryway here, which is undercover, I don't know, put a couple of chairs or something here, because as you can probably see, we're sort of surrounded by mountains. So there's a mountain off, there's like two more houses up from us, and then it goes into bush. And then you can probably see behind the hedges here, in the distance there is mountains basically all around us. So yeah, a lot of great driving roads, big reason that we chose this house. And obviously the double garage really helped. But yeah, so I'll show you guys through now. So Letisha and I finally bought our house that we've been looking for the last year almost. So yeah, this is it. Thought I'd give you guys a quick tour through. So this is obviously coming in the front door. This is going to be our master bedroom. Let's take my shoes off. So got a nice view out the master bedroom. Unsure if the camera's going to pick that up, but there's basically mountains in the background we can sort of look at. Obviously houses across the street, but then mountains in the background. Yeah, we've got this big front lawn area where we can park some cars if we need to, but yeah, probably not park cars there often to keep the grass nice and healthy. Have a walk-in robe for our master bedroom. So a bit of shelving up the top and plenty of storage areas. We get the ensuite. So yep, master bedroom with the ensuite. Nice plush carpet. Obviously this is the entryway. And just off to this side here is another bedroom. This one's probably going to be my office, so put a desk in here, and maybe Letisha will have a desk in here as well, but yeah, it's a small little room opposite the master at the entryway. Then coming in, this is the lounge room or living room. Very echoey in here at the moment, as obviously it is just empty. So yeah, then we got the kitchen over this side. So nice and open. One thing that we always say in our current place, whenever one of us is cooking and the other person's sort of sitting in the lounge room, like watching TV, you can't really, see the TV and talk to them very well because it's kind of split off different areas. So this would be really good. Yeah, dishwasher, usual kitchen stuff. So it's pretty nice and modern. And obviously aircon in here. Go out the back in a minute. We'll just go through the rest of the house. So it's 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Got a toilet in there. This is the main bathroom. So shower, bath. And we have another bedroom here. So this will be like a guest room. So just a fan. Don't have aircons in any of the bedrooms at all. We only have the one aircon in the sort of main living area. But there's fans in every room, so we're going to add aircon definitely to the master bedroom and to the garage. And this is the 4th bedroom here, so this will be another guest room. They all have built-in robes, sliding doors, and yeah, all have fans. We've got the laundry here, which leads outside. A little walkway there. And really needs some gardening. We're hoping the people living here would have sort of cleaned a lot of this up, but unfortunately that is now going to be up to us to do. So yeah, pretty gross condition, but oh, at least the sale went through. So yeah, this is the laundry, like I said, has more storage here, so which is pretty handy. So fair bit of room here. And then that leads through into the garage. And as you can see, I already have my car parked in here. We just got my car here at the moment, loaded up. Going to go back and get Letisha's car shortly, so we can park them both up in the garage. Finally next to each other in a garage, not at the moment the place we were living previously. We had like a tandem garage, which I'm sure you guys have seen. I'll actually put a clip now of the old garage, what it was like, but this will be a lot better. And this is also going to, I'm going to make this garage really my own. So I'm going to add aircon. I only have one small light in here at the moment, so I'm going to add a bunch of different lights. So we have 4 lights. Put a TV on the wall, probably over this side. Going to be getting a big workbench and storage, like big rolling toolbox for the back here. And going to, yeah, like aircon, like I said, and get some garage door insulation. So sit in these panels rather than this getting really hot in here. It will sort of make it pretty soundproof, but also keep a lot of the heat out. And so yeah, now I'll take you around and show you the backyard. All right, so going out to the backyard, have this little undercover area with a light. And so here's the backyard. Got a rainwater tank, hot water system behind it. Folding clothesline there. This is the walkway to get from the laundry, hang clothes out and everything. So yeah, here is the backyard. As you can see, it's been mowed, but there is just weeds and rubbish and everything everywhere. Yeah, wasn't ideal for yeah, buying in this condition, but yeah, at least we got it. So you can probably see the mountain in the background there. Need to add a better fence at the side here, but yeah, it's the corner block, so you can see the mountains there, and actually we'll actually get the sunsets here coming down, I believe, so that'll be cool. Be able to sit out here, watch that. Definitely get in a hammock. So head back in. So I think that is about everything. I'll just give you a quick view of the front of the house as well, I guess, but yeah, this is the entryway as you come in. So yeah, I'll just quickly give you an outside shot of the front. Alright guys, so that is basically everything I can show you. That is the tour of our new home. So yeah, we are extremely excited, ready to start moving in, and yeah, this will be our house, which is crazy. We've been renting where we are for the last 3 years, so now this will be all ours. We can do what we want with it. So obviously we'll be renovating a little bit, changing a few things, but yeah, it's only 8 years old, the house, so it's nothing really too drastic to change. It's nice inside. We're just, Letisha wants to add a few touches, But yeah, this is it. Main thing is going to be the garage, which I'm super stoked to finally have this double garage. Can't wait to make this my own. We'll probably do a garage, like dream garage series as we build this into exactly what I want. But yeah, so stoked to have this. Just bringing one car in, knowing that we can bring the other Evo in, and they're just both out of the sun, both safe, locked up. It's going to be amazing. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I know it's nothing too crazy car related, but hey, there's the car. At least I showed it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get back on schedule for the normal videos. Yeah, once we're in here, I've actually got a couple of weeks off work. I do have a bunch of parts to fit to my car that I've been holding on to not try and film any more videos in the old garage. So yeah, from now on, every video will be filmed here, and yeah, won't really do any house renovation videos, I don't think. The channel's more about the cars, but we'll definitely do a garage build series. So hopefully you guys are keen for that. I definitely want to document it, so it's something I'll film. But yeah, with that said, that is it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's something a little different, but yeah, like I said, something definitely worth documenting. And yeah, so until next time, I'll catch you guys later.